In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Photopea. To begin, open your project in Photopea and make sure your canvas is ready. Once you're inside your project, look at the left-hand side of your screen and locate the Type tool, which is represented by the letter T. You can either click on this icon directly or press the shortcut key T on your keyboard to activate it. After selecting the Type tool, click once on the exact area of the canvas where you want your text to begin. As soon as you click, you can start typing your text directly onto the canvas. While you are typing, you will notice that a new text layer is automatically created in the Layers panel on the right-hand side of your screen. This text layer allows you to manage, move, and customize your text separately from other elements in your design. If you want to add text on a new line, you can simply press the Enter key on your keyboard and continue typing. However, there is another method that gives you more control over text layout. Instead of clicking once, you can click and drag with the Type tool to create a text box. Once the text box is created, you can type inside it, and when your text reaches the edge of the box, it will automatically move to the next line instead of overflowing outside the canvas. This method is especially useful for longer text, such as paragraphs or descriptions. To customize your text, first make sure your text layer is selected, then highlight the text you want to edit. At the top of your screen, you will see multiple customization options. You can change the font family by clicking on the Font drop-down, where you will find a wide variety of fonts available in Photopea. You can also adjust the font size using the size slider, making the text larger or smaller as needed. In addition to font style and size, you can change the color of your text, add a stroke or background, and adjust text alignment. You can align your text to the left, center, or right, and also control vertical alignment within the text box, such as aligning text to the top, center, or bottom. You can resize the text box at any time by dragging its edges, and you can scale the text visually by resizing the box itself. If you want to write text vertically instead of horizontally, right-click on the Type tool and select the Vertical Type tool. Click on the canvas and start typing, and your text will appear in a vertical layout. You can then use the Move tool to reposition the text anywhere on your canvas, and this is how you can add text in Photopea.